Do you ever have the problem when your team can't remember the details of a decision that happened in one of your meetings? Wouldn't it be easier if you could have a highlights page that had the agenda of all your meetings and a decision log so that you could quickly browse it to find the answer? I'll show you how to wrangle the minutes for your project or meeting series in Confluence using the Page Properties report. If you're interested in project management tips and insights, you can find a link to my blog in the description below. Okay, let's get ready to wrangle these meeting minutes. Create a landing page for this project or meeting series where we'll have our highlights. The meeting minutes will be the children of this page. Let's start by creating a meeting template page. We'll give it a title so that it sorts nicely out of the way in our highlights later. Now we'll give this page a label, which will be important for pulling it into the automation. Next, we'll add the page properties macro. Inside that, we'll create a 4-row by 2-column table with row headings. I'll label them as agenda, attendees, decisions and conclusions, and references. I'll add some other useful bits for a meeting notes template, a table of contents, heading 1 for notes, heading 2 for each topic, and we'll save that. Now let's go up to the parent page. I will also give this page a table of contents, and we'll make H1 header for our meeting summary and decision log. And then I'll add the page properties report. I'll choose the label that we're going to use to pull our meeting notes into this report. And then I'll go to more options so that we can specify which columns we want to see and the order we want to see them in. And I'll sort by title so that the most recent meetings show up on top since we're using the date in the title. And then we'll save this page. Next, let's pretend that we're having a team meeting. So I will go to my template, I'll make a copy, I'll replace it with a date, I'll throw in some agenda topics. You can put your attendees here, and you can even mention them. You can also put the names of folks who don't have accounts. And then we'll pretend we're taking notes during the meeting. So we decided that we're going to go with proposal from Steve. And we concluded something about phase 2. Let's say Steve presented some slides. So we'll add those later. And just so you can see what this would look like if we had another meeting. So now when we go back to the parent page and look at our highlights, you can see our decision log and a summary of key details that are easy to browse. You can always customize this for your own needs, like if you wanted to see who attended or things like that. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.